Menteri Rangba ka jilla Konrad Konggal sangma hagasngining kong ulapan scam ya ka kaipot jong ka high level committee hagabay day ber ka sinjam jong ka sarkar jilla bakan penkenria ikijai benrew harijan na them metor yo maulong dakabaong baka ka baka sarkar jilla kanlong katkum ki kendon ki ain Laban kedau haka nyaw tarik mentau benai haka jingelang jong ki kenhun menteri ka sarkar jilla kilashim ya karai ban ya shakmat ya ka jingpen kenriano iki jai benrew harijan ki basa athem motor yo maulong shaka weipat ka jaka haka ba nakaliang ka sarkar Punjab kalapan pau bakan pha tuklar ya ka nikamat hau menteri korbar ri ka sarkar pedang wa Amit Shah Habai keren berkilat pathai khubor nakaliang Menteri Rangba uloong baka sarkar jela gatmu ban penkenria ya kijai benrew harijan nakani ka jaka kalong hadin baka jingbishar bnia ya kani ka benta menta lalais nam ka high level committee uloong ru ka ka ban nakaliang ka sarkar kan shimi ka sinjam kanlong katkum ki kendon ki ain kumta ka karai ka ban nakaliang ka sarkar kan shim kanlong halor ki kot kisla ka babiang bat katkum ki kendon ki ain Menteri Rangba uloong ru bakalong ka badon kam na kabantay kinonyelam jo ka sarkar na Punjab kibalapan pau banakaliang ka jongki kinshim khya ya kane ka banta kidi ban sunguthu ru bakane ka jaka kadai ka bala IY dos lim sha ka sarkar Menteri Rangba ulapan syai baka sarkar jela ka doni ki kot kisla ki babiang bat ki briu ki basa hakate ka jaka kidai ban bod ya ka ka baka sarkar kan rai bat hakabaya dei bat ki nong tre jong ki tenat sarkar ki basa hakate ka jaka kin ha ban kenria no sha ka jaka ka baka sarkar kalada ban penbiang na ka banta ka jongki Laong ru halor ka jingpen pau ka jing sngo khia jong ka sarkar Punjab ya kane kamat Menteri uloong banakaliang jong ka sarkar jela kan omla ban khang ka sarkar Punjab ban kan penpau ka jing sokhia na ka banta ki jai benrew lade wat ka sarkar jela ru kala ban shim khia ya kano kamat ka ban khata ya ka jai benrew lade hakiwei ki jela henrei ka de ban sothu ka ba ka sarkar jela kanle hapo katkum ki ain
The high-powered committee, I stand corrected, the high-powered committee had given the opportunity time and again for different stakeholders or individuals or groups to come and submit any kind of documentation that they could have to claim or counterclaim the ownership or gift or whatever of the land that they had. Sadly, nobody has come forward with any kind of information to the high-powered committee. So therefore, as per the reports of the high-powered committee, nobody came forward with any documentation, in spite of being given multiple opportunities. One cannot stop anybody if they have concerns for their people. It's very fair. I mean, if somebody were being if our people, Khasis or Garos are going to be harassed in another state, obviously as a state government, it is our responsibility and duty to intervene. So it's not something wrong that the other governments are doing by informing, or I shouldn't say interfering, but by showing their concern. It is natural that they show their concern. But it should be clear to all these governments and individuals and political parties also that whatever the government of Meghalaya will do will be legally sound, and we will follow legal procedure, and all the procedures required for any kind of step or action to be taken will be done in a very, very legal manner. So therefore, one should not take it in a wrong sense that we will just simply will bulldoze. That's absolutely not the case. We have done a lot of homework in this, and we will now, as I said, break this into smaller problems, and we're resolving this one by one. And obviously the last part which is there, which is most complicated, we have asked the Urban Affairs Department to give us what are the options that they have. In the meantime, the other procedures of shifting the municipal office, shifting the employees who are government officials, who have been allocated spaces, all those aspects can start happening. So we will see that the solution will start rolling, and we're hopeful that we will soon be able to find a complete solution to this problem. It's important to understand a few facts out here. Number one is that whatever the government of Meghalaya is going to do, it is after 3 years of detailed homework that we have decided on the steps that we're going to take. Whatever steps that we're going to take from now on, and all the moves that we're going to make are going to be legally sound. So therefore, whatever decisions, whatever question of any aspect of any action to be taken by the government will be based on proper documentation and proper legal funds. It is important for individuals, the leaders from government of Punjab who have mentioned that they will be also taking up the matter. They need to also understand that the ownership of the land is with the government in terms of the lease that has been signed with the CM of Million. Now, once that happens, when the legal documentation is there, the legally people who are government employees are being asked to go to the government, residential places which are being provided to them. So it's not that people are going to be simply left on the streets. So the people who are government employees who've been working with municipal or other departments who are staying in that area will be asked to shift to the official residential complexes of those departments. So it is being made to look as if everybody is going to be just simply thrown out. Well, that's not correct. So one has to understand first that the legal documents of the papers are with the government. So therefore, whoever is staying there has to be in the terms of what the government decides. Number two is the fact that all the legal and and employees of the departments, they will be asked to shift to the official residences. And number three, the Urban Affairs Department has been asked to find an amicable way in which we'll be able to find all the others who are not legally settled out there to be shifted or to be put somewhere else, or whatever proper way of ensuring that a solution can be reached to. So therefore, it's not proper to mix all the aspects into one and make it look as if there's one issue. There are multiple issues, and we will handle each one of them in a very, very legal manner. That's my first point. Second point is that we have made it very clear, whoever moves any status quo or gives any order in thing, we respect the stand that different commissions may have.